Hey WordPress website owners, creators, and developers. We are going to start year 2025. And in this year, we can make a target to be successful on digital front with WordPress websites. In this video, I am going to share a very important information regarding WordPress website security. So we are getting multiple questions every day on our I create program chat, and I believe almost 10 to 12% that we have seen in the stats questions related are with WordPress security, WordPress malicious attempts, hackings, and similar like things. So it is always important when you are owning a WordPress website, you are running a WordPress website, it is important to check the security in every manner that you can and patch the every possible attempt of security or hack. I mean, you have to make your website secure in every manner. So, what we are going to do in this video, I'm going to share a very important information as I said. So every WordPress website setups has multiple files. So this is the core file area, and further we have WP admin. There are many files in the WP admin as well, and in WP content as well we have multiple files, themes, plugins and all. So as a developer, even we are not sure which files are actually required here. So if you are a novice user and creating WordPress website very first time, or you are already having a WordPress website, it is always not sure which files should be here, like WP includes. So which file is necessary here, which is the correct file, and which can be a malicious or injected file for that can be a security concern for your WordPress website. So there are many files we cannot recognize and we cannot remember all these files. So what can be a possible solution to keep checking all these files and make a security check that we may be sure that everything is fine with our WordPress installation? So this is the main concern in this video, and it is going to be very important, and I recommend to all WordPress website owners to go for this security check that I am going to perform and show you. And it is coming for free. You have to pay nothing. You are going to run this security check with a free plugin. And the plugin I have already installed. I'll take you to the screen. The plugin, and definitely I'll show you the plugin name and all the details as well. But yes, what are the features, what are the tests that is available for our WordPress website with this plugin. The main thing that I discussed, the core scanner. Scan core WordPress files and folders. Check for modified files in the WordPress itself and detect extra files that should not be there. And I must tell you the plugin name, and this is available for free. At least for the feature we are talking about, it is available free at WordPress repository itself. So this is SecurityNinja. The feature that we are going to use for our WordPress website is available for free with this plugin. However, the pro version is absolutely giving more security measures and more options. But yes, we are talking about the free version of SecurityNinja. This is a secure firewall and secure malware scanner. So name uh, can be different, and this is the name given by the plugin developer. It has been developed by WP SecurityNinja. The main thing, core scanner alerts you about any changes to core WordPress files and folders. Vulnerability scanner, be protective, get alerts for vulnerable plugins and themes. Run 50 plus critical security tests to protect your website from threats and strengthen your website toughness. This is the main objective that we are going to use this plugin, and as I said, it is available for free. Now I am coming to this screen. So this screen is showing there is a file error log that can be an additional file. This is an additional file, so that I can delete because this is just a log file and everything is clean with this installation. I mean, the website is this that we created with a Coca WordPress theme, and this is a e-commerce website. You can watch the specific video on Coca WordPress theme. This is a very wonderful theme for modern fashion store. Watch the specific video. The video is detailed video is available on this channel itself. So there are hundreds of themes, plugins, overview available on this channel, and I'm sure you are already a subscriber to this channel. If not, please subscribe the channel and press the notification bell icon as well. If you are anyhow connected with WordPress and WordPress website, or you are planning to have a wonderful website using WordPress, this channel contents is really going to help you in every manner. Okay, so let us come to the point now. The file are many. We cannot find the exact file which should be here or which is the correct file. So security scanner can help us in this regard. So first of all, I'm going to run a core scanner just to recheck. So I've already installed the plugin, of course. So you can also install the plugin. And as I said, I recommend all WordPress website developers and uh, creators and even all owners that they should also run this check at least uh, once, not in a month, but in every 3 months. If your website is running and up, you should go with this scan. And you can it is totally up to you how you want to keep the plugin active or not. So it is totally your choice. But yes, one scan is necessary, as I believe. Okay, so I'm going to run the core scan files. It is going to take time. Of course, this is a scanning process, and however, it was already done, so it took very less time for me. Now, the vulnerabilities. So, what this plugin is offering for free, this vulnerability scanner wants you any known vulnerabilities in the plugin and themes you have installed. So, this is really important. What you have installed is to be checked. So, it is not sure what you are using as plugin or theme is safe and secure for your website. So, you have to check this vulnerable scanner, and this scanning should be on, like checking for known vulnerabilities, and admin counter is also on disable warning notice. So it is totally up to you. You want to keep it off or on. So I have this on, and email warnings you can enable, so you will get email notification only when one or more vulnerable are detected. All these features are available in a very popular WordPress plugin that name I am not going to say here. But yes, this feature we are getting for free with this plugin, the SecurityNinja, and this is really very important. Okay, and you can set the email recipient also as well. Now coming to the scanning screen. This is the main screen, and these are the tests that this plugin is going to perform. So first of all, and the test your website security, I have yet not run the test. This is why it is showing 000 and 0 scores as well. The tests are 50 plus, so I'm not going to read these all for you, but you can really check. So I'm scrolling slowly here just to show you, like randomly. Check if WordPress core is up to date. Check if automatic WordPress core updates are enabled. Check if plugins are up to date. Check if there is deactivated plugins. Check if plugins have been updated in the last 12 months. Okay, so you can check all these details as well. Check if active plugins are compatible with your version of WordPress. So this is again really very important. Check if themes are up to date. Check if there are unnecessary themes. Okay. Check if full WordPress version info is revealed to page metadata. Check if Windows Live Writer link is present in the header area. Check the PHP version. So you might be thinking, why this is the check is being performed and why this is important. So you can check the details. If you are not using Windows Live Writer, there is really no valid reason to have its link in the page header, thus telling the whole world you are using WordPress. So this is very important thing that we never know, and even it is already ignored. So fixing is very easy. Open your themes functions.php file and add the following line. Remove action wp-head, and if you are not using the Windows Live Writer. So this is really simple and very effective. Why people should know that you are using WordPress? It can be removed in by using a line of code in the functions.php file of WordPress. Like WordPress check PHP version, so details can be here. Using an outdated version of PHP can expose your site to security vulnerability and limit your ability to use modern WordPress features and plugins. So every check, I'm saying every check is important here, and you cannot ignore any of these checks. So this is, so I'll show you very important line about this plugin. Although this test covers years of best practice in security, getting odd test green does not guarantee your site will not get hacked. So it is really important. But the main thing is that the best practice in security or and years of experience of developers is involved in this plugin. So even if you are getting results in red, so it does not means that you will get hacked. And please read each test details information to see if you it represents the real security issue to your site. So check all the details if you are getting any red green message here. So there are many checks as I said. So let us run the check, and this is an e-commerce website, demo website, of course. So I have yet not updated any data. This is only a demo site with all the contents, of course. So there are products here and the images and all files here. So it is shown here. Okay, so let us run the security check, and let us understand the result. So I'm going to run this test. Yes, it is started and getting green marks very fast. 14 plugins. All plugins are up to date. Automatic updates are not explicitly disabled. Your WordPress version is up to date and it is going very fast. And I am requesting again and again that all website owners, all WordPress website owners should run this check and understand the results. So when you are running this check, you might be getting red alerts and green alerts. But as I said, it is not guaranteed. After all, it is just a check. You have to check all actually that can impact all the results actually that can impact your website security. But yes, the result will be with you after performing this check. So I got this check complete. Yes, it's still running for 2. Okay. Now, uh, here, randomly, 4 warnings, 34 passed, 4 warnings, 15 failed, and 68% is a score for this website. Now, let us understand any of the red files fail if there is any unnecessary theme. So 2025 is an unnecessary theme since I am using a Coca WordPress theme here. So it can be ignored simply. And decision is totally yours. You have to understand all the decision before taking any action to your website. I'm not saying what you got and read, you have to remove all those files or plugins. So it is not like that. But here is the result. Okay, next is check if full WordPress version is also revealed page metadata. The WordPress version is exposed in the meta generator tag, which is a security risk. Okay, so how we can remove this? So I'll create another videos on these checks, how you can do all these things. So if you are getting this risk, how you can remove the WordPress versions that can be a security risk. It is not necessarily a security risk, but yes, the result is here. And the PHP version is okay. Warning is here. MySQL version, that is fine. Next is the check if user has user ID 1 exists. Yes. So user ID is there exists, username is WP. So we can change the user ID just in case. WP config pair write permission, chmod set, and the current file permission is 644, which is not secure. Like WordPress config file is has the right permission. So this is a very major security concern. Uh, so we can change the file permission. Like uh, if we wish to change the file permission, what is recommended? The official recommendation is trying to set 444, which means all the users have read only permissions, and the other group. So we can do this all things easily. Like if we are willing to apply this permission, current file permission is 644, which is not secure. What is recommended? Try setting chmod to 0400. Others should okay. And the official recommendation for trying to say. So which controls it now, but I'm also reading this. So we can simply change the file permission. I have already created a specific video on this, and what should be correct file permission, there is a specific video on this channel. So I recommend to watch the specific video because that is a detailed video. I'm not going to show anything about this in this video. So you can watch that particular. So sorry, but it is my request. Okay. So check if WP config PHP present in the default location. Yes. So root directory. So we can check these details as well. And we can change the root directory for WP config files. So this is also a very effective security measure that you can take. So as I said, if required, I'll create another video. Write in the comment section if you have anything special, if you got any result and that you don't know how you can implement that particular action on your WordPress website. So get in touch with us on the I create live chat, and better you can write in the comment section of the video so that all the users may read and understand what is going and discussion, and I'll try to cover that particular question and probable solution in a form of video. So this can be really very good for others as well, and as well as for your website, of course. So these are the checks. We have performed the security check and we have got the result as well, and I recommend you should also run this check to make your WordPress website more secure, more effective, and successful as well, because a secure website can only be a successful website. So, in the next video, I'm coming with more for your WordPress website. Don't miss any videos. I'm working hard for your WordPress website. And if you are a developer or creator, I'm definitely adding more and more things for you that can really help in your next website project. So keep watching, keep building. Thank you.